How to fix Instagram voice message problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. In search bar, simply search apps. After you've searched apps, you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Instagram. Force stop the app. After that, go to permission. After you go to permission, you'll find microphone option. If it's allowed, click on don't allow and then again click on allow. After you've done that, simply go to storage and cache and clear storage. After that, open Instagram app, log into your account and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram voice message problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.